Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now container traffic is the most cleanest traffic today in the world. So everybody gives importance to the container traffic. Now how do you get container? Why it has stopped? Because जेन्ना container मनीस कोण export करपा सोदता नाल्यार import करपा सोदता through Marmugao port, it had to travel to the city. But the city वता आसतना what is the problem is that container cannot go to the city during certain timings. So it can happen only at night. Now that the ship comes only once in 10 days, once in 15 days. We can't have that kind of thing. Like as a CII, what study we have made with other industries, Verna has become the hub of medicine manufacturing. But एक container value is 5 कोटी रुपये. Now for him, it is better to send by road because come to Marmugao port itself, he might take 16 hours, which is a 10 kilometer distance. During that period, तुका तो container पावता JNPT. आणि JNPT च्यान फुडें ताका कनेक्शन आसता वचपाक USA or Dubai or Europe. Now if he misses that, his product again lies there for till the next ship comes. So endeavor from our side, that is CII side, is that the industry what is suffering and the container traffic which has stopped, how to start it the first. And most important for that is this Verna highway which is connecting to the Marmugao port. Unless and until that is done, and once that is connected, then you will find that the traffic flow will be there. There is no timing restrictions will be there for the road with the containers to go. Product जर सांचो रेडी जाता and फाल्यां जर बोट येवपा आसा जाल्यार at least within 2 hours or 3 hours he'll be there with all the custom formalities which is there, and those medicines can reach fastest to any part of the world. And now with our efforts, when we were the trustees of the Marmugao port, we thought we have made it compulsory for the Food and Drug Administration to have their office here. तर आता जे सगळे फार्मास्युटिकल जे कंटेनर असता पळय जे वतात डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम रोड, दॅट कॅन बी ट्रान्सपोर्टेड कम्फर्टेबली थ्रू द Marmugao port. So it will give us a clean cargo, clean business and faster transportation. It will benefit the industry, people also, and the Vasco City जे ॲक्सिडेंट जाता पळय ते सगळे बंद जातले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.